For this week's Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to talk about your old courses and how to find them on your Canvas dashboard. Everyone has old courses, and as of this recording in January of 2021, we do not have a process in place to archive, delete, or otherwise get rid of your old courses. So right now, you still have access to all of the courses you've ever taught at Hartnell in your Canvas account. So let's go into our Canvas dashboard. In the left global menu, you'll notice an item right below dashboard that says Courses. Click on Courses. Now you'll see all of your current published and unpublished courses, but if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see All Courses. This is where you will be able to see all of the courses you've ever had, and at the very, very bottom, you should see your past enrollments. So all of your old courses will be here under past enrollments. You can go into any of them and click on it, and you'll be able to view all of your old content that you can then either export from your settings, or you can always import your content into your new course by going directly to your new course and then choosing to import existing content. And then you'll be able to have a drop-down menu that shows all of your old previous semester courses. So I hope this video helped. If you need more help importing, there's also an import video that you can find at hartnell.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.